So the themes of loyalty to friends, disguise and deceit, ହେଲା, form the subjects of this scene. Portia, deceit ମାନେ ଠକାମି, ହେଲା. So Portia conceives of ମାନେ ବୁଝିଲା, conceives of ସେ plan ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ କରୁଛି plan, କଲା ଗୋଟେ plan, ଗୋଟେ plan to rescue Antonio from the clutches of the Jew. ହେଲା. She entrusts ଦଉଛି Lorenzo and Jessica with the charge of his house. ହେଲା. କିଏ? Portia. କାହାକୁ ଚାର୍ଜ ଦେଇକି ଆସୁଛି? Lorenzo and Jessica. Charge of her house. She sends a messenger to Dr. Bellario in Padua. ତା ପାଖକୁ ଗୋଟେ ପଠଉଛି, ହେଲା. Sends a messenger, ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ଗୋଟେ messenger ପଠେଇଲା, seeking from the eminent doctor of law a letter recommending her to the Duke of Venice. So Duke of Venice କୁ ଗୋଟେ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ଗୋଟେ recommend କରିବାକୁ ପଠଉଛି, ଗୋଟେ letter ଟେ ଦେଇଦେବେ ବୋଲି. କିଏ? Dr. Bellario in Padua. She then gets ready to go to Venice disguised as a lawyer and a Nerissa as her clerk. So Lorenzo और Jessica को से दे दीजिए, हमें घर जगह. So scene 4 at a Belmont, a room in Portia's house. Enter Portia, Nerissa, Lorenzo, Jessica and a Balthazar. Lorenzo कहोची, madam, although I speak it in your presence, you have a noble and a true conceit. ହେଲା. True conceit ମାନେ understanding, ହେଲା, of a god like amity. Okay, god like amity ମାନେ friendship, which appears most strongly, ହେଲା, in bearing thus the absence of your lord. ହେଲା. But if you knew to whom you show this honor, how true a gentleman you send relief, how dear a lover of my lord your husband. Okay, so I know you would be prouder of the work than customary bounty can enforce you. अच्छा देखिए, तो ये कहला, मैडम, although I speak it in your presence, ମୁଁ ତମ ଆଗରେ କହୁଛି, okay, you have a noble and a true conceit, ତୋର ଭଲ understanding ଅଛି, of a god like amity, friendship ଅଛି god ଭଳିଆ, which appears most strongly in bearing thus the absence of your lord. ହେଲା, ଜଣା ପଡୁଛି କାହିଁକି ନା ତମ absence ଅଛି, ତମ lord, ତମ husband ନାହାନ୍ତି, ହେଲା, ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ ନାଇଁ, କିନ୍ତୁ you are still you are showing me friendship. But if you knew to whom you show this honor, ତମେ ଯୋଉ honor ଦେଖଉଛ, ହେଲା, କାହାକୁ ଦେଖଉଛ? ଆଣ୍ଟୋନିଓ ପାଇଁ, ହେଲା. How true a gentleman you send relief, ହେଲା, ମାନେ how true a gentleman, ସେ କି ଆଣ୍ଟୋନିଓ, you send relief, ତାକୁ କେତେ help କଲୁ, how dear a lover of my lord your husband, how dear a lover ମାନେ friend of my lord ମାନେ ମୋର lord ମାନେ କି ଆଣ୍ଟୋନିଓ ସେ କହୁଛି, ହେଲା, your husband, ହେଲା. ତା ବାସନ୍ୟ ହଉଛି ତାର ସାଙ୍ଗ, ଭଲ ସାଙ୍ଗ ବୋଲି ଆଣ୍ଟୋନିଓର, ବୁଝିପାରିଲ. I know you would be prouder of the work, ତେଣୁ ସେ କହୁଛି, you would be even more proud that you had done this deed than your usual acts of generosity. ତୁ ଯେମିତି generosity ଯେତେ ଦୟାଶୀଳ, ତାଠୁ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ କାମଟା କରିଛୁ ବହୁତ ବଡ଼ କାମ କରିଛୁ. than customary bounty can enforce you. Okay, ତାମାନେ customary bounty ମାନେ ତୁ ଯୋଉ ଦାନ କରୁଛୁ, customary bounty your usual generosity दान customary bounty bounty माने दान हैला can enforce you हैला तू जो मन करूचु ताठू एटा बेटर है छी पोर्सिया कहला आई नेवर डिड रिपेंट फॉर गोइंग सॉरी डूइंग गुड मु के भाबेनी वो भलो करी बोली भाबेनी नॉर शैल नॉट नाउ फॉर इन कंपेनियंस that do converse and waste the time together a gopikiri kiछि लाभ नहीं whose souls do bear an equal yoke of love there must be needs a like proportion बुझला there must be हला अच्छा से कहला shall not do so now अच्छा अच्छा and whose souls are joined together by the same bond of love अच्छा से कहूँ से whose souls to bear an equal yoke of love माने जिंदगी गोटे जुआली भलिया equal yoke of love हम मानकर अच्छी there must be needs a like proportion there must be needs necessity the same proportion of lineaments. Lineaments are same proportion of characteristics of manners and of spirit, which makes me think that this Antonio, being the bosom lover of my friend, a good lover, best friend of my Lord, must needs be like my Lord. So, बुझिपारे नहीं तेणु से कौची must needs like my lord must needs be like my lord if it be so हैला से कौची if it be so how little is the cost I have bestowed in purchasing the semblance of my soul from out the state of hellish cruelty हैला से कौन hellish cruelty माने तार अर्थ है how small is the expense which I have incurred to redeem the likeness of my husband's soul to redeem the likeness redeem माने आउथर फेरे आनिबी the likeness of my husband's soul that of Antonio from a state of hellish misery गोटे नरकरू जो फेरे आनी hellish cruelty हैला this comes too near the praising of myself therefore no more of it तो कहला बहुत मते प्रेज कलुनी हैला हैला तू मते प्रेज करछो हैला therefore no more of it hear other things हैला अन्य कथा सब सुन Lorenzo I commit into your hands मु तो हाथ रे छाडुची the husbandry and the husbandry हैला मु तो हाथ रे छाडुची the husbandry हैला husbandry and manage of my house हैला control house until my lord's return और mine own part मो कथा कहया गले I have to add heaven breathed a secret vow माने मोला कथा देछि भगवान को ब्रेथ रे secret vow गोटे देछि शपथ करछि to live in prayer and contemplation हला बुझबेलो ध्यान रे रहबी आ contemplation meditation रे रहबी ओके only attended by Nerissa here हैला only attended by Nerissa मो पाखरे किए रहइबो केवल नेरिसा रहइबो until her husband and my lord's return नेरिसा husband की
नेरिसा husband था
Graciano से ने आसीनो आसुचन जाय हैला there is a monastery 2 miles of गोटे monastery अछि हैला monastery गोटे अछि बुझि परछ नै 2 miles दूर रे हैला सेठी कि मु जिबी आ जो मन सब जान सब जो ये माने हां and there you will abide ହେଲା ସେଇଟା ଆମେ ମାନିକି ରହିବୁ ବୁଝିପାରିଲ I do desire you ମାନେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଧ୍ୟାନ କରିବୁ I do desire you not to deny this imposition ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ମୁଁ ତତେ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟଟା ଦଉଛି ତୁ deny କରିବୁନି the which my love and some necessity now lays upon you ହେଲା my love ମୋ ଉପରେ ଯୋଉ ମୋର ତୋ ଉପରେ ଯୋଉ ଅଛି likeness ହେଲା and some necessity ଏଇଟା ଦଉଛି now lays upon you ତୋ ଉପରେ ଏଟା ରଖୁଛି ପ୍ଲିଜ ଟିକେ କରିବୁ ଆଉ ଲରେଞ୍ଜୋ କହିଲା ମ୍ୟାଡାମ with all my heart ମୁଁ କରିବି I shall obey you in all fair commands ହେଲା ଯାହା commands ହବ ମୁଁ କରିବି ଆଉ ହେଲା honor commands ପୋର୍ସିଆ କହିଲା my people do already know my mind ସେମାନେ ମୁଁ ଯାହା କରିବା କଥା ଜାଣିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି my intention and will acknowledge you and Jessica ହେଲା in place of Lord Bassanio and myself ମୋ ଜାଗାରେ ତମେ ଅଛ ହେଲେ ସେମାନେ ତମକୁ ସବୁ ବୁଝିବେ ଇଏ କରିବେ ହେଲା and so farewell till we shall meet again ହେଲା ଲରେଞ୍ଜୋ କହିଲା fair thoughts and happy hours attend on you ହେଲା ସେ କହିଲା ଯେ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ଥଟ୍ସ ଏଇଟା ସବୁ ଭାବିବନି ସେମାନେ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ହେଲା ଆଉ and happy hours attend on you ତାମାନେ ହଁ may be with you ହେଲା ଲରେଞ୍ଜୋ କହିଲା ଗଲା ଜେସିକା କହିଲା I wish your ladyship all hearts content ହେଲା ତ ସେ କହୁଛି ମୁଁ the fulfillment of all the desires of your heart so I wish your ladyship all the hearts contents all your desires ହେଲା ପୋର୍ସିଆ କହିଲା I thank you for your wish and I am well pleased to wish it back on you ମୁଁ ବି ତୋ ଉପରେ wish କରୁଛି very well ଜେସିକା ତାପରେ ଦି ଜଣ ଯାକ ପଳେଇଲେ କିଏ ଜେସିକା and ଲରେଞ୍ଜୋ ପୋର୍ସିଆ ରହିଗଲା ପୋର୍ସିଆ କହୁଛି ନାଉ ବାଲଥାଜର ହେଲା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକଟେ as I have ever found thee ମାନେ you honest true so let me find thee still ତତେ ମୁଁ ଆଜି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଯେମିତି ବିଶ୍ୱାସୀ ଭାବୁଛି ମୁଁ ସେମିତି ବିଶ୍ୱାସ ତତେ ଭାବୁଥାଏ take this same letter and use thou all the endeavor of a man ପୁରା ଭଲ କି ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବୁ ହେଲା endeavor ମାନେ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବୁ in speed to ପେଡୁଆକୁ ଜୋରରେ ଯିବୁ ଜଲ୍ଦି ଜଲ୍ଦି ଯିବୁ see thou render this ମାନେ ଗିଫ୍ଟ କରି ଦବୁ ତାକୁ into my cousin's hand Dr. Bellario ମୋର cousin and took that and look what notes and garments he does give you ସେ ତତେ କ'ଣ notes ଦଉଛନ୍ତି garments bring them I pray you with imagined speed ହେଲା onto the transfer onto the tranect onto the tranect so with imagined speed କୋଉଠିକି ଆଣିବୁ ଆଣିବୁ ହେଲା to the common ferry which trades to Venice ତ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଡଙ୍ଗା ପାଖକୁ ଆଣିବୁ ବୁଝିପାରିଲୁ କି ଯୋଉଟା ଭେନିସକୁ ଯାଉଥିବ ତା ପାଖକୁ ଆଣିବୁ ପୁରା ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡିଂ ପ୍ଲେସକୁ onto tranect ଆମ ଡଙ୍ଗାଟା ବୋଟଟା ହେଲା common ferry which trades to Venice ହେଲା waste no time in words ହେଲା ଆଉ କଥାରେ ବେଶୀ ସମୟ ନଷ୍ଟ କରନି but get thee gone ହେଲା ଜଲ୍ଦି ଯା I shall be there before you ମୁଁ ଆଗୁଆ ଯାଇ ପହଞ୍ଚିଥିବି ହେଲା ବାଲଥାଜାର କହିଲା ମ୍ୟାଡାମ I go with all convenient speed ମୁଁ ଯେତେ ଜଲ୍ଦି ହେଇପାରେ ଆଣିବି ଆଚ୍ଛା ପୋର୍ସିଆ କହିଲା କମନ ନେରିସା I have worked in hand ମୋର ବହୁତ କାମ ଅଛି that you yet know not of ଜାଣିନୁ we'll see our husbands ହେଲା ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ଯିବା before they think of us ହେଲା ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଆମେ ପହଞ୍ଚିବା ନେରିସା shall they see us ଆମକୁ ସେ ଦେଖିପାରେ पुरुषिया कहला दे साल हमको देखिए नहीं रिसा बट इन सच ए हैबिट दैट दे साल थिंक वी आर accomplished with that we lack. Okay, we are accomplished with that we lack. माने we are equipped with the qualities of a man which in reality we lack. बुझिपारे तेणु that they shall think we are accomplished with what we lack. माने will as men they will see us. है I will hold the any wager मते पैसा देवी पर जहाँ देवा कथा when we are both है account trade like young men account trade माने dressed up है I young man I will prove the prettier fellow मु तो दिजन मु देखिबु दिजन को भीतर prettier fellow than to तम आम दिजन भीतर है सुंदर देखा जीवी and wear my dagger with the braver grace है मु छुरीटा मोर धरबी है and speak between the change of man and boy मु हेई वॉइस रे कथा भी जोटा कि मैन नथियो कि वॉइस बॉय रे नथियो है माने मझी वॉइस टा विथ ए रियल रीड वॉइस रीड माने श्रील वॉइस टिके हबो and turn two mincing steps है and turn two mincing steps lady like short quick steps है and turn two mincing steps okay अच्छा
into a manly stride.
टर्न हाँ मु से जो टर्न करी लेडी लाइक स्टेप्स को है टर्न कर देवी टर्न इनटू ए मैनली स्ट्राइड करी है हाँ टू मिन्सिंग स्टेप्स है एंड स्पीक ऑफ अ फ्रेज है स्पीक ऑफ अ फ्रेज माने फाइट्स मु कथा भी फाइट विषय लाइक ए फाइन ब्रागिंग यूथ है जदि गोटे बोस्टफुल ब्रागिंग माने प्राउड यूथ भाया मु कथा भी पूरा युद्ध विषय बड़ी है एंड टेल क्वेंट लाइज है पूरा फैंसीफुल इंजीनियस लाइज है सुन हाउ ऑनरेबल लेडीज इज शॉर्ट माय लव हाउ ऑनरेबल लेडीज शॉर्ट माय लव अच्छा which I denying they fell sick and died अच्छा I could not do withal so से कहूची could not help it literally I cannot do anything with it it is beyond me so how honorable ladies sought my love से माने कहउचंदी जे ladies will sought my love which I denying मु ताको डिनाई करबी they fall sick and died से माने मो ऊपर खराब है कि मरी जिवे I could not do with that मु ता पे किछ कर परबिनी and I will repent खाली मु अनुताप करे and हैला wish for all that I had not killed them हैला मु तो ताको मारिनी ना and 20 of these funny lies I will tell हैला बुझले सो से कहला मु मारिनी and 20 of these funny lies I will tell मु बहुत lie कहबी हैला that men shall swear I have discontinued school बुझिपाल मु डिस्कंटिन्यू बोली करची बोली के जानिबेनी above a 12 month I have within my mind तामाने that it is a year since I left school हैला man shall swear I have discontinued so ସେମାନେ ଭାବେ ଯେମିତି ଏବେ ମୋର ସରିଛି ହେଲା ମୋ ପାଠଟା ଏବେ ସରିଛି I have within my mind 1,000 raw tricks हैला crude school boys tricks ଅଛି ମୋ ପାଖରେ ହେଲା raw tricks ହେଲା ମାନେ କୌଶଳ ଅଫ୍ ଦିଜ୍ ବ୍ରାଗିଂ ଜାକ୍ସ ହେଲା ବ୍ରାଗିଂ ଜାକ୍ସ ମାନେ ଅଫ୍ ଦିଜ୍ ବୋଷ୍ଟଫୁଲ୍ ଫେଲୋଜ୍ ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ସବୁ ୟୁଜ୍ କରିବି which I will practice ମାନେ ୟୁଜ୍ କରିବି ହେଲା which I will display but come I will tell you all my whole device ମୁଁ ସବୁ କେମିତି କରିବି ପ୍ଲାନ୍ ବତେଇବି when I am in my coach ହେଲା ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ବସିବା କୋଉଥିରେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଇଏରେ ଡଙ୍ଗାରେ କୋଚ୍ ମାନେ ଏଇ ଡଙ୍ଗାରେ ବସିବା ଯେତେବେଳେ ବୋଟ୍ରେ ବସିବା which stage for us ଆମ ପାଇଁ ଅଛି ଆମେ ଚାଲ ଯିବା at the park gate अच्छा कोच पार्क गेट अच्छा ये कोच मैंने गाड़ी रे बसियो गाड़ी मैंने कोट भी टाइप रो कौन थी वो गाड़ी हो मैंने घोड़ा टଣା गाड़ी हो कि जहाँ है एंड देयरफॉर हास्ट अवे जल्दी आसो है फॉर वी मस्ट मेजर 20 माइल्स टुडे आमे जिबा केते बाट ट्रैवल करिया 20 माइल्स है सरला एक्ट 3 सीन 4